Hello there, fellow seniors and retirees. We are thrilled to have you join us on this exciting journey into the world of Facebook. Whether you're a complete beginner or have dabbled a bit, this guide is designed just for you. Welcome to the exciting world of Facebook. It's a place where you can stay connected with loved ones, discover new interests, and even make new friends. Imagine a space where you can share your life, your stories, and your passions with people who care. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it seems. We know that technology can sometimes feel like a foreign language, but we're here to make it simple and fun. With our step-by-step guidance, you'll find that using Facebook is easier than you ever imagined. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From setting up your profile to understanding privacy settings, we've got you covered. Our goal is to make sure you feel confident and comfortable as you navigate this new digital landscape. Think of Facebook as a giant online community center. It's a place where you can meet people with similar interests, join groups, and participate in discussions. Whether you're into gardening, cooking, or genealogy, there's a group for you. You can connect with old friends, rekindle relationships, and even make new ones. It's a wonderful way to keep in touch with people you care about no matter where they are in the world. Share photos of your grandkids, your travels, or even your latest knitting project. Facebook allows you to share your life with your friends and family in a way that's easy and fun, and even join groups for your favorite hobbies. Whether you're passionate about birdwatching, painting, or playing bridge, you'll find a community of like-minded individuals who share your interests. It's like having a coffee clatch with friends and family, all from the comfort of your own home. You can chat, share stories, and stay connected without ever leaving your living room. We understand that technology can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially if you're not used to it, but don't worry, you're not alone. Many people feel the same way when they first start out, but trust us, with a little patience and our easy-to-follow tips, you'll soon find that using Facebook is not only manageable but enjoyable. We'll show you how to make the most of this powerful tool. You'll be a Facebook pro in no time. Let's get started. Together, we'll explore all the features and possibilities that Facebook has to offer. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the wonderful world of Facebook. First things first, let's get you set up on Facebook. This is an exciting step, and we're here to guide you through every part of the process. Whether you're reconnecting with old friends or discovering new interests, Facebook can be a wonderful tool for staying connected. Think of it as building your own little clubhouse in the digital world, a place where you can share your thoughts, photos, and experiences with people you care about. It's a space that's uniquely yours, and setting it up is the first step to making it feel like home. To get started, you'll need an email address. If you already have one, great. If not, don't worry. Creating an email account is simple, and we'll walk you through it. Your email will be your key to accessing Facebook and many other online services. Once you have your email, head over to facebook.com and look for the sign up button. It's usually right on the homepage, easy to find. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a form where you can start entering your information. You'll need to fill in some basic details like your name, birthday, and gender. Then choose a strong password. A good password is a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This helps keep your account secure and protects your personal information. After you've filled in all the required information, click the sign up button. Facebook will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Open that email and click the link inside to verify your account. And voila, you're officially a Facebook member. Now you can start exploring, connecting, and sharing. Welcome to your new digital clubhouse. Now, just like in the real world, there are a few bad apples online. But fear not, we'll equip you with the knowledge to outsmart them. Be wary of friend requests from people you don't recognize. If you get a request from someone claiming to be a long-lost friend or relative, double-check with your family before accepting. Remember, if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Posting on Facebook is like chatting with friends at a social gathering. Be mindful of what you share. It's best to avoid posting personal information like your address or phone number publicly. When commenting on posts, keep it respectful and positive. Remember, there's a real person on the other side of the screen. Guarding your secrets. Protecting your personal information. Think of your personal information like your prized possessions. You wouldn't leave them out in the open for anyone to take, right? The same goes for the online world. Be cautious about what information you share on Facebook, especially your home address, phone number, and financial details. Remember, if something feels off, trust your gut and don't share the information. Taking out the trash, blocking unwanted content and users. Just like you might change the channel on TV when something unpleasant comes on, you have the same control over your online experience. Imagine you're watching your favorite show, and suddenly, an annoying commercial pops up. What do? You grab the remote and switch the channel. The same principle applies to your social media platforms. You can control what you see on Facebook. This means you don't have to put up with content that makes you uncomfortable or upset. Facebook provides several tools to help you manage your feed and interactions. Whether it's an annoying ad, a spammy post, or even a person who's being rude or offensive, you have options. If you come across content or users that you find offensive or inappropriate, don't feel helpless. You have the power to take action. It's important to remember that your online space is yours to curate. You wouldn't let someone come into your home and make you uncomfortable, so why let them do it on your social media? You have the power to block them. Blocking someone on Facebook is like putting up a "Do Not Disturb" sign. It prevents the person from seeing your posts, tagging you, inviting you to events or groups, and starting conversations with you. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain your peace of mind. Simply click on the 3 dots in the top right corner of the post or profile and select the block option. This action will immediately remove the offending content from your view and prevent further interactions with the user. It's a straightforward process that can make a big difference in your online experience. Think of it as your digital fly swatter, keeping your Facebook experience enjoyable and positive. Just as you wouldn't let a pesky fly ruin your day, don't let unwanted content or users disrupt your time online. By taking control of what you see and who you interact with, you can ensure that your social media experience remains pleasant and stress-free. Remember, the power is in your hands to create a safe and enjoyable online environment. Facebook photo albums, sharing memories with loved ones. One of the best things about Facebook is the ability to share photos with loved ones. It's like having a digital photo album that everyone can enjoy. Share pictures of your grandkids, your latest vacation, or even just your delicious lunch. Your friends and family will love seeing what you've been up to. Just remember to ask for permission before posting pictures of others. Friends or foes, scrutinizing friend requests. Now let's talk about friend requests. It's exciting to connect with new people, but it's important to be cautious. Don't feel pressured to accept every request you receive. Take a moment to review the profile, see if you have any mutual friends, and trust your instincts. If something feels off, it's perfectly okay to decline the request. Keeping it private, direct messages, and thoughtful posts. Facebook offers different ways to communicate. You can send private messages to individuals or groups, just like emails. These are great for sharing personal updates or having conversations that you don't want the whole world to see. When posting on your timeline, remember that your words are public. It's always a good idea to pause and think before you post, especially if it's something that could be misinterpreted or hurtful. Stay tuned for more videos on understanding tech gadgets, how to avoid tech scams, smartphones, and much more. Don't forget to like and subscribe.